Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you today how to cure hiccups. I'm sure you can do any YouTube search or Google search and find out how to cure hiccups, but let me tell you this, they're all a bunch of crap, alright? They're all a bunch of lies, so I'm going to tell you how to do it. This one is 100% proven. None of this sipping water for 11 seconds or however long crap, that's all garbage. So here's what I'm going to tell you to do. It's really simple. It's really easy. First you get some paper towel, because it's going to be a bit messy. Then you get some barbecue sauce right here. Take the barbecue sauce, put your paper towel over your lap or even up here if you want, because it's going to get a bit messy. And usually if you're trying to cure hiccups, you'd have hiccups, but I don't have hiccups right now because I don't have them. And, well, I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't proven fact. So you take some barbecue sauce and you go, oh, and some barbecue. Some barbecues. And this is the best part here. Got some on my shirt. Barbecue sauce. And then you get some some white vinegar. See some white vinegar right there? Doesn't have to be Heinz, it can be any white vinegar. Just open this bad boy up here, like so. And just take a whiff, and then you go like that. Might need some. Oh God, mercy. What have I done? And that is you mean there's I'm okay. I'm okay. Might need some more barbecue sauce to. It's like the vinegar is. I can feel the vinegar mixing with that barbecue sauce in my chest. I don't know. I'll let the emergency room deal with that in the morning. So that is a quick and easy way how to cure hiccups. Scientifically proven and approved by me. I got barbecue sauce all over my shirt. This is how it's done. Until next time, don't mix blood with vinegar, and don't mix barbecue sauce with vinegar. Bye. Hiccups gone.